Hey guys, welcome back to a brand new video. Haven't posted here for a month, sorry about that. But it's snowing right now. It snowed all night long. You see how much snow we got? This is the most snow I got in like over 10 years. Probably been 11 years, but probably 12, but probably 11. It is snowy. And it's still snowing. How do snow get under the carport? You blow it under. So, gonna set y'all down. Putting my gloves back on. So, it's cold out here. It's like 18 degrees. It's gone down to 5 degrees tonight, probably 4 or 3. So, it is still snowing. As you can see, a lot of snow. Yep. And then be careful I don't slip and fall. All the neighbors' vehicles are covered. Look at the pine tree. It looks beautiful. Pine tree covered in snow. I took any kind of tree that's covered in snow. Look how covered that is. Look how deep it is. It is deep. Oh, slipped and fell. I need to be careful of. Yeah. It is deep. I wonder what snowy look like. So, this is the second winter storm that's hitting us in a week. We got hit with a winter storm last weekend. It brought a whole bunch of ice. And look at this. Look how deep it is. Look how much snow we got. That is thick. I'm like, thick. Well, guys. Guys. This is crazy. I'm gonna give out personal information, but I'm a teenager and I ain't figured it out yet. So, but I haven't even seen this much snow for at least 11 years, if not 12. I only can remember stuff back when I was like 4 or 5 years old, so possibly 3, I'm not sure, but this is sure a lot of snow. So, Last time I seen snow, I was in Georgia. 11 or 12 years ago. But I don't really remember Montana though. So well guys, this will be the end of the video here. Make sure to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Yeah, I'll see y'all next time. Bye. Bye guys.